There are videos. Everybody in there can be identified. Say me can't say you see, if you don't speak for people to provoke, or to hurt people, nobody has any right to beat anybody. Everybody that was in there should be dealt with. And yes,
I see a black man of constituency in a black way run. Most especially at the Methodist Church premises, the St. Peter's police station, and how others are drumming in there are happy. Now, I said, if I almost sort Hawa Koomson, any MPP national deputy organizer, any other mayhem across the Honor. Bulldog, anybody that did my Abdomitrians uncle for him. Omo be a bass was a hundred year momu, cameras are captured now. See it's me 2 women in an fact. You punish you severely for the sake of the security of this country, for the sake of democracy. We must punish them. And some of the done about the one Bulldog Abeka. I Penyah media. Mess was any day. Over like a video, no, I'm going to subscribe button, public notification and complete habits. Now, bet you are doing their mammy or comment section. Mess was also password. No, I should not also any be ashy. Him, election I called 2024. Now there was a seat via is an account and a black man of Eka Hungi. A black man of Manchester King is at the Aqua to Abana. A tomo date is on the 11th of July 2025. And I got to Abana. Emma 11th July in Edure about to review air course and a panel. Na environment will be a very cool. Hawa Koomson ever the Hawa Koomson ever now according to Hawa Koomson na NDC candidate no hono a rab na any Accra mayor no as omu donate 100 cedis. They were sharing 100 to the voters.
All right, Honorable, there's been a couple of issues or concerns raised with regards to vote buying. I don't know if you've heard that your opponents, that's the MPP, they've raised concerns that they whenever their members come around to vote, they see the others pull them aside and all that. I don't know if you've heard that.
My dear, this is not news. I mean, every election there's a vote buying. I mean, so if
to her no. Now, a vote buying, and Hawa Koomson even condemned that act.
Honorable, what's your thoughts around the process so far? Honorable, what's your thoughts around the process so far?
I mean, the other places have been very peaceful. I don't know why here they want to do intimidation. The people are ready to come and vote for a PFA. You are intimidating them. You are sharing money and still intimidating. What's your problem?
We saw somebody shout at you to leave the polling station. Is that why you are referring to as intimidation?
The polling station belongs to him.
To leave the force station.
Why are they also here? Why are they also here?
So clearly they are trying to intimidate your camp.
And we cannot be intimidated. We are not ready. We won't allow them to.
Have you reported to the police?
The police is there. We've reported to them. We've told them. They have seen all that is going on. They think because they are in power. Yes, we are ready. We are in opposition. We are ready to face them.
Interesting.
Election air cost of fine. Out of nowhere, there's quite to be every camo ABC and the Omu Ebo push. Omu Pia police for good baby. And Omu target in a Hawa Koomson.
Why are they doing that?
What I say? Almost tell you that how I'm about this year. Omo edi ni juma bridam nankasa bi ko no die mu omu sibam Hawa Koomson ankasa. I don't know kwa. MPP Deputy National Organizer so omu ebo no. Just say Hawa anyway see your honor. In fact, election and tray. Emma and Yanonqua, police officer because so go. Journalists are soon. For free. We did not please is all free. Unia any Kasaka crab, Unia Bonasu. Just say, I never happy of Black man of ask him. And yeah. I said you get by a question. I was on the seen in 18 old me not crime with 10 crane. So did the amount for can take your Becassa or Bros and see anywhere. Then I had there who ain't known to me come myself.
Oh, stop! You want to talk to me? So,
Please, nobody is talking. Let me come as soon as I can. Assessment so far, so good. I'll be surprised if we don't take it. Okay, come on, right. Some persons are buying
Malik Basintale oye youth president. Ghana Hanam. All the children say the last one say Hawa Koomson din brand bodyguard ba say Hawa Koomson bodyguard abu to amanewu. That's the only time or tell Hawa Koomson din. But say yes Hawa Koomson and they party on the one say who video biasa.
Not reviewed to that yet. I mean, the only time I heard of assault with Hawa Koomson was the murder of one young man from Nima in her constituency, where her boys shot and killed him. That's the last time. If you type Hawa Koomson on Google now, you will see Hawa Koomson's boys killed Nima boys. We attended the funeral. I have not seen that yet. If I haven't seen, okay, you have seen. To show the camera to him, comment on it. What do you mean? I haven't seen. I'll comment on what I have seen. And what I have seen is that Hawa Koomson's boys killed a Nima boy at Kaswa in 2024. We went and buried him. So if they say they are beating her today, I have not seen it. But if I see, she's a human being.
Tanko computer see there be a MP before boys now na bebo Hawa Koomson just to set an agenda. Meanwhile, and go film Hawa Koomson we yan. Omu ekwatena kemu video me ye eni. Oh my, di one that's we end this for, but Tanko ese go free MP before there's over Hawa Koomson. Na ever and say hunu we na call so e ho no man. And the Bulldog any violation to there be. Sound kwasiafo no mu ye sound ense hunu we no. And what yet discipline woman in fact capital and corporal punishment all type of punishment yet the mom never come with them amount for edition who answer.
And no should be a course and yet it's a very bad look on all of us. Very bad. Who can be about baby I do yes still yes I know. Mima example I'm not sure about the country and see obi wo ho a bet me car country na nya na wa yes I think it's somewhere in Singapore or not China na baby. Okay. say you chill say why corruption you bow to no.
Wow.
China you bow to say no. Yeah.
Corruption.
Yes. So one your theatre no person your corruption.
Oh, to me.
Thank you. That is our problem here. We don't punish people. But I think say 6 or 7 years ago, Honorable what you call it, Sam George, Yabumi Yaya. Means you like this is a member of parliament. Oh, Yabuni free. So Ochina Obia Yenchi Obia, ye the report abomuko ye bibi nipakunu na mene.
Yanchano.
There be omunam. Ebi nesisisiano. There are videos. Everybody in there can be identified. Yebeba nyame anya yadom ana oye yadom 3 years yebetina the same thing yenyo mushi.
So do you think so?
We should be serious with some of these things. That's the only time. That's the only time it will end. Now ebi mu ka say police for jina honi adem say police for no mu enipa. The police was not put in place for them to come and die for us. It's police need jina ho na ube tutu a obedwane.
Okay.
Yes. Now I don't know the only money a year of it. It's about time we reward people with their own, your friend is saying, deeds. And yet their cost, and yet whether it's NDC, MPP, and and yet, I mean, like, me tell you, Mammy knows who could have spread. Nina, yet. Who's a boy, be a boo, and like, why? Yeah, at which point, why, what exactly? Dana, what will bring this? What will bring this? Say me can't say me you see, if you don't speak for people to provoke, or to hurt people, they should punish the people there. Yes.
Spider-Man.
Yes.
Oh Jesus.
Look, it is very, very bad.
Jesus.
Hey. Guy will cry, so a goalkeeper. Shred ye wo na go a goalkeeper and go beboa. Eh. Oh. No.
Oh, radio be mami.
No.
Oh.
No.
Mami ni be bra.
No. Ni omo bu obi wo sa hwe. Yeah, why? Yeah, guy be.
Jesus.
Oh, Charlie, no.
Oh, police in Jino.
No. Mami, no. It's bad.
What share video now?
It's bad. It's very, very bad. Very, very bad. How?
Oh, Jesus.
How? And you see, we take a lot of things in this country for granted. What we call a Palestine and Philistine, baby, whatever, Israel, baby. Look,
why buying a Washington?
It is wrong.
President.
It's not about telling the president. They are seeing it. I don't have to tell the president this. He follows some of these things keenly than myself. What did they say? In court for the all representative president, you know. Oh. The member of parliament is there. Police for now say omuye adwuma no. Omo.
Na nkofo na yes and omo to about constituency one.
But you see, I know the yi enu fringe. Me blame obia enfi ho no.
Okay.
Me ka say onu ankasa na okwakope onu na ewu no ewu. Because who baby and we feel about baby. They say, you know, but Obeka said we went there to support our person. And there's nothing wrong to go anywhere and go and support anybody. Ebia menye yi anami ye jume bi mubabe shramechi anama wo na mubabe name me. Anything maybe I'm engaged in an election and mubabe supporting me. Should you come and meet violence? No. This is bad, very, very bad. And I know, say, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, only young papa, IGP, His Excellency, you know, be the right thing. You know, the videos are the way. Me omuka so mu investigation. I mean, tia say then investigation. Omu shishwe ni omu me boa. Ni omu na enu anye.
Nti omu share no.
Enu anye. They can everybody there. They can identify.
Okay.
There are police people there. There are own people there.
Right.
So every omu who the omu cause violence, they should use their people to get these people.
Okay.
It's sad. Like we should move away from some of these things. Small things say na emma nyoma goes out of hand. Me no kasi say boku enye easy wo. I mean what then you see aye buy no me ni wo ke ba me ni wo ke ya. Me ti ase o then na e di buy na then e di ko. Who say ye ka say oh yamfa hwe yamfa hwe nko. It's enukra eyentro. Ye di bibi ko uva uba no na wo adaka mu na wo buy. Thank you. Wo ko no so unya adaka na wo di ko. Wo buy na wo share bibi. Oh no ko no ya go bonoko atmo yen lipo ke ni bi weed no ko ke no ko nda no me ji no ni bona den ye hwehwe e den na ye hwehwe o wi ase. It's very, very sad, and the only way this thing will stop, police want to look identify all of them. The only way this thing will stop is
so why were they going straight to the woman?
Yeah. Even the police were scared to the they were running for their own lives. No, this should stop. This should stop. This should stop. This should stop. Look, should stop. You know, and I think say me who another interview be mami Honorable Hannah. Yes. She spoke well. But do baby no say asem no. Or see a DBI any da into no their own Matias we nipa. Wow, we nipa. But where she sits, you see, sometimes make out and I make out where she sits at there are a lot of people under her, our constituents. You know what she buying ejuma. Me tia enya buying ejuma na me ye. Me ye ma ejuma. Until I can be forgiven. Say the beautiful na me I can be forgiven. But Yakupon Peja Osisia ko share baby. You have to recognize where you are. What did they answer? Yes, she condemned the violence and everything. Then she brought her personal. Yes, Big Bekai. Straight away she could have just said, "Oh, I don't want to talk about it." But to now go and say, "Oh, me nyapiti." Charlie, at the end of the day, ye nipa o. Ye nipa o. Ye try na red neighbor o. Yes, ye nipa. Ye nipa. There's a reason why. You see, a nipa ofie wrong. A nipa ofie be fabibi. Only right say obebu no. Only right. Inti e bia wada oba be fan so downstairs. No ba ewo no ko kenya. He money e ken machine o wan e ya. Keje na ka che police na ba mole ka tei. Cause oba e on bebu. Okay. What dey no aba be wia. Inti watch na wo dey police. Yes. Police need rights or nobody has any right to beat anybody. Obakra who need rights or bebuno. Oba. What is the say? So I mean when we get to this level or we are at some level baby yes, you are a government official. What you say? Yes, she condemned. I like the way she condemned the violence. But then I don't feel sympathy. We nipa. The course in the HL is very bad. Very, very bad. So I'm hoping say Papa baby or he will call the right people to do what they need to do. Investigate what really happened. And these people should be dealt with. Everybody that was in there should be dealt with. And yefe. I didn't yefe saying. Yefe.
But that's
on mine ye drew baby nipa bi pray for omo personal bodyguard some be bomb ho ban wo nsem bi say ho wa bra Ghana police e wo ho e ne call adwuma ne call mandate some be bomb man for ho ban no utie commentary na ekoso na obi epe ahobambo from ono ne macho man na ebia odi nechi which I think is very dangerous. If you enra me who videos be macho men be omo kasa say omna na mo bo nkofo bi ho ban na ya de omo pe omo nsan kasa so ya omo ni omo ndi ni ye nti omo atwe omo ho kakra. I'm asking myself say na oman ni free da ben e na ebi fato omo ho so say me de madwuma me yense ye frem ma me ko bro nkofo ye free hin ye bedru sa level ya obi timi proudly eso camera scene so ono de na adwuma ne say ko wu obi sutro na odi anim na okọ and me se fem seeing Hawa Koomson oba be said that opa na be ma tu ne nan egeji baby aseb yo na yase won na wo de esi e de be ntia and me who a lot of people like omo de say bibisa I see because omo feel say e be esi pen but yatina hanom say I commend their buying way say the way omo see omo niema no it looks as if say wrongs be akoso niema be akoso anko ye no e no mo correct. And why is this also not one of them? You beat me, I bet na have a bomb abaso. It's not too late. I will say it's original. Now, you cover elections for a very long time. You'll be in him say your flashpoints or mine. There are certain constituencies on him say, oh, dear, can't we be see or on them. But a Blekuma North to be one of the flashpoints, what dream basoda. It is a share journalist I do mo call hono. Enye oma. Ye name so much cover flashpoint if mrante ni maba wa bia e bi more little experience because someone him say a honey a soft touch and asaka kwa 19 polling stations into no and for how biamba she said na young girls yet tete pepper spray go mani so enra omuti ni so mani nyina ye call no mutiti pickups mo and instead say ye di omobeko hospital no ye hwehwe gu ani so saa ye nsiki the proper way I betimi e de agye omon kwa because eni no untimi fendi ago until now I stand to be correct as a DJ aka bibia fa de
waka enra na
no mo de and what then almost state here
me kai dia me kakra me hwe news I didn't watch the entire thing. Now omo kase send yem be atwem na bi omo ye lenient on pressing charges on the people.
They are going to do that.
They are not going to be lenient.
And I say abanisade I commend GJ eba we are at the receiving end as much as politicians no Etienne and going to Akwetia just this evening na metie program bi omo bom kofo ye shen kofo crying say obia amen and obia get ready because it looks as if say police no seemed helpless ewo honom so obia Kenya ne ho so kwakoye bibi empress is not enya dia efe at this stage pa no enya dia efe ye bestre say we the investigations na e course no EBCP na ye hunu the corporate kwa we already know them ye hunu omo social media phone ni ade da honom and enya ade a efe nti ye best and Rabna Obing, she's a very fine lady. I've seen her waba ya sorry pe akasa okasa affable lady but ye person kunimdi na ban ye beka say o mami we ho na ye ko buru we na nsa na ni we don't want sanke kawa no nti as much as we know so I know say she's a very peaceful person obe ne kasa ne ade ekon incite any further violence bia ye be ma Hawa Koomson kose ni organizer na omo born no so be mo bia kose but this one there just as you commend their buying pen we want to see say something good will come out of her way ya be who say ya punish you be
okay made that
Radio Mama Ewa Koomson when you say about the Luchuma any Bulldog Abeka what is your take on this issue? Penyah Media.